the alliance selection portion.
For LAR, I'm really excited to see other teams there for FRC. I'm also excited to see how the new things on our robot work out, like our vision.
I'm excited because this is my first on-season competition.
I'm most excited about meeting new teams at LAR.
I'm most excited about seeing other teams' designs.
Down. Where do